Hello YouTube, we're here with Skipper Drones, and today I'm going to bring you the quick unboxing of the Eachine 5.8 FPV DVR diversity goggles. Okay, let's see what we have in the box. Alright, we got it over there. Set it over there. They give us a cleaning towel, cleaning cloth, instructions, which are just some plain and basic instructions. The frequency, about the lens, what size the screen is. Cool. Alright, they give us a charger. The goggles. Also give you a bag, which is nice, I guess, so you can tote it around. They give us a clover leaf antenna. They also give us a patch antenna. And by the way, these are SMA connectors, so you got to be careful. And have the Eachine sign pointed out. Alright, they also give us a video in plug. And the battery is not strapped because it's a built-in battery, and the battery is a 1200 milliamp battery, so it's internal, so we can't change it. But they did think of that, so they give us a cord we can plug in here. If we in the field, we can plug this in and charge it with a 3S battery. So that's pretty cool. A 3S battery. It has a 5-inch screen, and these are all your selection buttons at the top. You got pick and record, long press for record, short press for pick. You got channel and band, and you have power, SRC menu. The SD card goes here. SD card goes here. And this is the search button for your channels. It has a Fresnel lens. It's not adjustable. It's not adjustable because these here double up as a monitor. You can take them apart, and it has a port here for the tripod, which I think is cool. A 3-point harness for the head. Let's see if we can get these apart. You slide them down, they slide out, and it converts into a monitor. Alright, it's built-in DVR. Record has a speaker. They say it's HD on the box, but it's not quite HD. It is 720 by 576. It also shows in a resolution of 800 by 480. And it also can change between 16 by 9 and 4 by 3 with the aspect ratio. And it on the records in 4:3. The bit ratio is 11 megabits. It also has a built-in speaker in it, and the video in also double up as an audio button, audio in and out. It has 40 channels, 5.8 diversity receivers, the clover leaf, and the patch antenna. And it also has playback on the DVR. So let's turn it on and see. Long press for the power button. You see the screen here. It shows you the band and the channel that you're on at the top, which is nice. The strength and the battery level. And you can, the SR menu, you press that and you can toggle between bright, contrast, color, sharpness, volume. The power off usually take you out the menu, and language, and zoom. And you can toggle between the different, from language to DVR to color to sharpness. And once you get on one of them, you can use the channel button to toggle down, use the search button to toggle up. If you hit zoom, you can change to 4:3 or 16:9. I think these are some nice goggles. You can hold menu to change between the SRC menu. You can change also with a quick press between antenna A, antenna and AV, which we're trying to screen blue, or diversity. Alright, let's plug up and see how nice the picture is. Okay, we hit the search. And there's the picture. It's a very nice picture, very nice. And if you notice, there's no lag or latency, none. So that's pretty cool, pretty cool. And the good thing about these are, when you shut the power down and you turn the power back on, it goes right back to the same channel that you was on when the power went off. So that's a good thing. So we're gonna try to get a good flight in here pretty soon when the weather breaks, and get y'all some more footage. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe, and leave a comment below. I also have a link for these below too, for the price. So thanks for watching again, and Skipper Drones, and I'm out.